one of my followers who has never joined my academy before just landed an 800,000 naira a month remote job, right? Working with foreign clients. Watch this interview to learn exactly how we did it. Also, make sure you follow my page and smash that like button. Let's go.
Be blessed says, boss, so the loan thing, honestly, it's crazy with the kind of conversion you're getting. Updating profile, really, that is good. Daring. Hey, will you believe Ola just got a job? Or be just about to get a job. Be blessed just said he's getting crazy conversions, and Daring just got a job. I don't know these people.
Let me just give you guys listen. Mr. Darren here, he joined my stream a couple of days ago. He's not in my academy, he's not paying me any money. He joined my stream a couple of days ago and I gave him some instructions. And he just said he has gotten a job of how much. So can you just give us a breakdown? What's your experience level? Like how experienced are you and
All right.
what
All right. So,
advice specifically did I give you and how much did that help?
okay. Okay. So I've been doing Upwork for a bit before I actually joined your life, and we reviewed my profile so that I made at least close to 4K, right? $4K.
Okay.
And I joined Upwork around last year, November, beginning of November, last year November.
Okay.
All right. So we reviewed my profile that day, and you were like, applying for jobs wasn't really the regular way. We can't apply for jobs the regular way anymore. So you were like, why don't I send live presentations, screen record, and do all of that, right? I don't know if you remember.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I made a sample. It was an e-commerce platform. I made that, and I just did like a video walkthrough of it. I used Loom. So I just saw the job and I just applied. I said, okay, I made this sample for you. All right, that's what I told the client. And then I added my portfolio below it. And then I told them my frameworks, like very short stuff. And then they replied the same day. Then what happened? Then I got hired today. So the pay is a full-time role. It's not even like a 1 gig kind of thing. It's actually a full-time role. And the pay is about 400 to 600 a month.
Okay.
So that's it.
That's really good. So
I'm a
bear in
product
mind,
designer, by the way.
what?
I said I'm a product designer, by the way.
Okay.
Like UI UX.
So everybody said congrats in the chat. W is in the pocket chat. W is in the pocket chat.
Yeah. So thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you so
You guys
much.
can text
I
me
feel like
to ask
people
questions.
should try you out, honestly.
This guy, their head is not
try you out.
academy. This guy never paid me any money. He just joined my
Yeah, I've never like.
So
That day I was just scrolling safe. I was like, let me just join this live. Let me see what's up. You know.
and I don't want to take all the credit because he has been getting jobs like he said he has made 40. So he already had some things in order. Not as if he's a complete beginner, I just was my thing, but he was getting jobs even before using video presentations. But this video presentation helped him get a job. So from $0, he got a $600 spent on me. He got a $600 job, right? So what I'm teaching you, there's nothing special, but like at the same time, it's nothing special. Like you apply to jobs. For example, if you have used an app before, TikTok is an app. Somebody was paid to build this app. If you have seen a video that was edited, somebody was paid to edit that video. If you have seen some nice photos, somebody was paid to take that photograph. If you have seen voiceover, if you have had voiceover, basically anything you see around you on the online or offline, somebody was paid to do it. Instead of you being the consumer, instead of you consuming, just be like scrolling TikTok, you can be the one actually creating those things. And you create for other businesses that need it. Like, okay, for example, websites. There are people that need websites. They don't have a website or they have a bad website. They want a new website. You can pay 200, 500, 1,000, 2,000 for it. There are people that need graphics. They need a new logo, new design, everything. You pay for it. There are people that need what do you call it? A mobile app for their business. They are looking for somebody to do it. If you are good enough, you hire. So the thing now is the reason why it's hard to get jobs because everybody's trying to get into remote work. You understand? The competition is crazy. Everybody's trying to get into remote work. Everybody's trying to quit their job, so it's like, how can you now stand out even more? You have to now do more and more. You understand?